Hey, Puppy Trades! I want to do a Elliott wave tutorial of Tesla. We're going to see Tesla is ending a correction on 1 degree. But before we get into that small degree, let's zoom out and talk about Tesla in the bigger picture. It's going to look a little messy. But when we zoom out and look at Tesla on the biggest degree, it's important to remember Tesla confirmed it's within a large degree wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 impulse. And the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low gives a wave 3 minimum target that has not been met yet. So that wave 3 minimum target is 507, right? So that hasn't been met yet. And of course, wave 3 often goes past the or all the way to the 127.2% extension of the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low. We can see that hasn't been met yet. That's actually off the charts. So that's important to remember for Tesla on the bigger picture. Now we're going to get into the more tutorial section right now because wave 4 is a tricky one. A very tricky one, and then wave 5 can even be ambiguous. So that's why I really like to focus on the 1 2 1 2 wave 3 of wave 3 Elliott wave nest. That's one reason I focus on that part of the cycle a lot. We're going to see Tesla did form wave 1 A B C wave 2, and then from this low 1 2 1 2 wave 3 of wave 3, wave 4 of wave 3, wave 5 of wave 3 ended. So now Tesla has an A, B, C correction, and that's really what we're going to focus on right now is this wave 4. So we're going to zoom in to this wave 4, and here's how wave 4 goes. Just labeling A, B, C corrections in general. This is a really pretty one. Starting with the high of wave A to the low, release, and then drag up to the top of wave B. So wave A, B, C is being measured right here. I'm going to go ahead and make that perfect. 465.33. 415.41, and then this high is 488.54. So these are the levels A, B, C. Tesla's at the 127.2% extension. And when zooming out, we can see we're also going to have a nice downside level, the 161.8% extension. So this is really how wave 4 is a great example right here, because Tesla has reached has yet to reach, or it's right at the 38.2% retracement, and it's having an ABC correction where it's at the 127.2% extension of the length of wave A placed with wave B high being where wave C ends. So above 347, bulls are going to look for the end of wave 4. So those are these fibs right here. $347.01 is what I'm going to look for. I'll move these over. And then these fibs over here are going to be finding the wave 5 target. So I've got a few fibs on the screen. Let's go over them. The first set of fibs is this A, B, C correction above 347, the 161.8% extension of the length of wave A places the wave B high is the downside level for the wave C correction ending. And above that, at bare minimum, a new all-time high is expected above this wave 3 high. We'll get into the wave 5 targets in a second. What these fibs are showing from 488.54 to 182 is I've measured the entire length of this rally. So I'm showing that the 38.2% retracement is right where Tesla is. That's the ideal place for wave 4 to end. Now wave 5 in here in black, the target can be found a few ways. One is taking the length of wave 1 and placing it at the wave 4 low. That's the minimum target. It's still going to take Tesla up into the very low 500s. Another target, which I'm honestly more favoring, is that Tesla could enter a wave 5 that's the length of wave 3 placed at the wave 4 low. Should that be the case, Tesla can go into the upper 600s. Now, the reason wave 5 can be a little ambiguous is because it's the best target comes from when wave 5 forms a small wave 1 and a small wave 2. Because then wave 1 and wave 2 can be measured. That's a very pretty thumbnail, I think. Because then wave 1 and wave 2 can be measured. But before wave 1 and wave 2 can be measured, once this wave 4 correction ends, one way to find the wave 5 target is to take the 61.8% extension of the depth of wave 4. So when wave 4 ends, the 61.8% extension of wave 4 way up here is in the 550 range. That's kind of between the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low and the wave 3 placed at the wave 4 low target. It's around 555. Yeah, the 560. So above 347, Elliott wave suggests that Tesla's going to end wave 4 and begin a wave 5 higher. Ideally, it's going to form a small wave 1 and a small wave 2, and that's going to help find the wave 3 of wave 5 target. But before it gets there, the minimum expectation is a new all-time high at 500. It could have a very powerful wave 5 that takes it into the mid to upper 600s, and the just right kind of level, the 61.8% extension of wave 4 is around 550 to 560.